The journey begins at the eyes. These tiny sprouts carry the entire genetic blueprint of the future plant. As roots secure the foundation below, the first green messengers reach for the sun.
Cool soil and abundant light are the primary architects of a healthy potato crop.
These underground stems, known as stolons, are the lifelines where the magic of tuber formation begins.
Above ground, the blooming flowers signal that the plant is now shifting its energy to the treasures below. This is tuber initiation. Each tiny marble is a storage vessel, ready to be filled with energy.
The leaves act as solar panels, converting sunlight into starch and pumping it down to the growing tubers. Beneath the surface, the tuber bulking phase is in full swing, increasing the size and weight of the hidden harvest.
The skin begins to toughen, protecting the nutrient-rich interior from the elements of the earth.
As the flowers disappear, the plant enters its final stage of maturity.
Precision technology ensures that every tuber has reached the perfect balance of starch and moisture.
The green foliage of the potato plant begins to turn a light yellow, signaling that the energy transfer is complete.
The life of the plant above ground fades, having fulfilled its purpose of creating life below.
Pure energy, captured from the sun and stored by the earth. A perfect cycle of genesis. The link is broken. The tuber is now a self-contained vessel of life. The stage is set. The growth journey has reached its magnificent conclusion.
Every potato in the field is now at its peak state, heavy with nutrients and flavor.
Experience the culmination of patience and nature's wisdom. This is the heart of Genesis Motion.
Follow the next step of this journey on Harvest Motion.